All right, what we're going to do on these azaleas here is I'm going to show you a couple things. Now on this, you're trying to look for an overall shape, and we kind of want a little bit of a curve so that there's more chance for the lower stuff to get sun as well as the top to get the sun. So let's go ahead and work our way up. Another thing to think about when you're cutting, if you've been cutting for 5 or 10 minutes, take a break and step back or keep moving around. Don't stay in one area too long, because what happens always is you end up cutting it way back and then the rest of it looks different. So just make sure you move around and you look at it often. Sometimes you'll come to a bunch of azaleas and you'll be wanting to clip them all one by one. What you can do is move further back and you'll see all of these are part of one. So just one cut removed all of that. So just again, that's one of those where you're going to pull it away and check and make sure if it's going to look good without it. And if it is, cut it and now it's gone. With azaleas, sometimes you have what's called a water spout. This is where one, for some reason, just grows really fast and tries to get above all the other ones. When you want to cut this out, because depending on how it flowers later in the year, it's just going to make the bush not look as good. So when you cut this, you're going to go down much, like here's the line of the leaves. This is the shape of the bush. You're going to want to go beneath that, cut low, and cut it out. It looks smoother. And that's what you're going to do when you maintain your azaleas throughout the year. If you see a water spout, cut them all out. All right, we're going to finish up today. I want you to remember a few things while you're doing it. Take out all dead material, any dead branches, any leaf litter that's built up at the base. Make sure you take away all of your cuttings from the base and inside, because they will die and it will look awful. Look for any trash trees, any baby trees that have grown up in your azalea bushes that shouldn't be there. Also remember, the best time to cut azaleas is right after they finish flowering and right up until you pay your taxes. So this is Justin from Bellingrath. Happy gardening, and I hope you're spending a lot of time in your gardens enjoying it.